Please welcome to Mr. Ro on the mix.
Remixed by Mr. PR.
This cyberbullying warning for core game, elevator, raid, big number, group, and YouTube with island and other. This bot in YouTube name bot yellow sheep battery MB ut thigh THE. Here this what happened look like. See if you see the bot yellow sheep battery M ut thigh THE. Contact me at Discord age 13 plus to enter. Content the username, Thecor5631 is free to chat. Also if you are safety from bot in YouTube, please do not exit the safe during the attack. Currently bot incident is Pride bot incident. This is cyberbullying warning for safety user watching a social media and more. For attack by other player and etc. Please stay tuned for next updated.